Hi guys, welcome back. I'm your host DV from DV Photography, and today we're gonna do a quick and easy way how to clean your background, and we're gonna do this in Photoshop. How you can see here, this background is a little bit distracted, it doesn't look good. Our model is very nice and sharp, but the background is very not crispy and nice. So this is something easy and fast you can do. This is the way I do it, that I do it. So there's a lot of other ways you can do it, but if you like the way I do it, please subscribe, leave your comment. Until next time, I'm your host DV from DV Photography. First of all, what we're gonna do here is press Control J, and that will give us a duplicate of the background. Now what I'm gonna go is get the quick tool here, the quick selector tool, and we're gonna select the background. We want to select all the background, not your model, the background. This is the way I do it. Now you want to go here and make sure you got everything selected. Over here some parts of his hand is not selected, so I want to make sure that it's selected. Go right here and select some of these things right here. Go right about here. This is a little bit difficult because this is an image that got gray like the background on his shirt, but try to do your best. Let me go here and select, try to get it the most close you can to your selection, and I think I'm doing a good job. I'm gonna go right here. Sorry, sorry about that. Now go right here. You want to zoom in so you can get the right selection, like I'm doing here. I zoom in. Let me see right here. You want to go around your image. Very sharp image. Very good. Nice model. Now I'm gonna bring my brush a little bit down to select some of this part right here. And that looks good. And let me go select. I think about there. That looks good on this side. Let's go right here. You want to make sure your background is everything is selected in your background. Try to get it the closest you can, or the right amount of background is selected. Not the right amount, but the whole background selected. Go around your image, look everything, make sure that it's gonna bring my brush up a little bit more. Now you want to do this and make sure you're right there is selected. I'm going around to make sure that everything is selected. Right here you want to make sure your whole background is selected. That looks good. And this is simple and easy. That's the way I do it. I hope somebody can learn. If it's easy for them, the way I do it is, if it helps somebody, that would be good. So now we got the whole background selected. So what's the next step now? The whole background selected. Now what I'm gonna do is go to select and go to invert. There you go. I invert. Now our model is selected. And now what I want to do is I want to cut the model from our background. How you do that? It's Control and X. There you go. Control and X. Our model is cut from the background. You can see our model is cut from the background. Now what's the next step? The next step is I go to filter. Go to blur, Gaussian blur, and now what I want to do is bring my radius or my pixels, how you want to say it, bring it up until you start seeing your background more smooth. You don't want that background like that. Well, I don't want it like that. It depends if you're going, that's the way you're going your image, the background you want to go like that. So here you can see the background start to get a little blurry too. You can see also that the model is getting how you say that, not sharp, is getting blurry too, but don't worry about that. Just keep doing this until you feel comfortable. And I feel like I want 15. It looks better. It looks better. Let me go a little bit more. 130. 130, I like that right there, and I press OK. That looks okay for me. That looks nice. Now, what can we do about this model not being sharp here? So now what we're gonna go to do is to put them back in place. Is go to edit. Now we go post edit special and paste edit special. Paste in place again. Boom. There you go. He's back nice and sharp. Now, what can you do with this right here? This is a little bit distracted. No problem with that. Now we duplicate our background. Since we done, we go to the patch tool right here, and we start getting these little things. You know, you can do it with a patch tool, but it will take you a long time to do this. That you just seen that we did so simple and easy. You know, get rid of our background, make it nice and neat again. And yeah, you will take your time and do that. There you go. This is something simple and easy. You can do in Photoshop CC. Simple, people. So I hope you enjoy. I hope you like what we did here, and put thumbs up and subscribe. Look what we have done here. Well, let's go back all the way to our image. This is how it came in. This is how the background it is. Now we went and select the background, and then we invert it to select our model. Then we cut our model right here. You can see cut it. Then we went and give it a blur, Gaussian blur to our background, and that's how we did it. I think it was 130 radius, and then we saw that our model is a little bit blurred too, and also had these things right here that we wanted to erase. So then we went back and edit, and we put in place, we put the model in place again, and this is how it became sharp again. Then we saw these right here that it was not very nice, it didn't look good. So then we went and we correct those with the patch tool. So this is something simple and easy. Please leave your comment, subscribe. Until next time, I'm your host DV from DV Photography, and this is what we done. Is way different. This is my way of doing it. The way I do it is quick and simple. Please subscribe. Thank you. Until next time, I'm your host DV. See ya.